Hello everyone, on this video we're going to install Google Tag Manager in less than 90 seconds. Also at the end of this video I will show you an awesome tool that checks if Google Tag Manager is correctly installed in every page of any website. Let's go! What's up, Javier here, and welcome to Everlearn Tutorials, the best way to become a digital expert. So this is a demo website and has no design, but who cares, because we just want to learn how to install Google Tag Manager on it. So the first thing to do is to create a Google Tag Manager account with the name of your company. Select the primary country and continue. Then put the name of the container. An account has one or several containers, and each container has its unique Google Tag Manager pixel. To put this in simple words, if you have a company with a single website, one container will suffice, and if you have a company with multiple websites, I suggest to create one account for the whole company first and one container per website. Select the web option and create. Accept the term and service and done. The account is created. Notice that immediately they suggest us to install the pixel, but even if you miss this, you will find it in the admin, and in the container options, click in Install Google Tag Manager. So here are two pieces of code, and you have to install both of them on every single page, okay? This is very important. The first piece, you need to paste it in the head of the HTML document, and the second in the body of your website. So let's do that. Copy, paste in the head, copy, and paste in the body as high as possible. I already did this to the About HTML page to save time. So to check if the installation was successful, one last step. Press this preview button. This will create a cookie on your browser and activate the preview mode. This preview mode will show a dashboard at the bottom of your screen to see what tags are triggered on this page. Let's refresh our site, and there is the dashboard. Congratulations! You have installed Google Tag Manager in less than 90 seconds. We need to check if Google Tag Manager is working in the About page as well. And refresh. It is. Now, if you have a web page with 100 pages or more and you want to check if Google Tag Manager is installed correctly, you can use this simple tool called GA Checker. Just type your domain and check your website. It will check if Google Tag Manager is correctly installed in different pages of your website. It's very simple and very useful. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you have any question or constructive opinion, leave it in the comments. See you in the next video of Everlearn Tutorials. Bye!